Yeah, I agree. I don't agree with
4, 3, 2, 1,
Let's go.
2,
punch it.
1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I spread out with me. Next week, stay
Merlitz, you need to be on people, dude. You need to be on people.
ready.
Make a little Venn diagram with
4,
hammer here if
All
need
the
be.
melee.
2,
There you go.
1.
Hey, if you're melee, back up so we're not in the hitbox. You get doubled up on those beams, too.
Yes.
Like, his hitbox is huge.
Spread, spread, spread. Yeah, Newbeck, that's a good idea. I think Tank should stay on the back. I didn't realize he had 15 seconds.
Range.
One.
Tighten up
Ejections?
that circle. Tighten up the circle range. Don't be so far out. It'll allow people to sit in two at the same time, not just one.
Yeah, we might need. We definitely do. I think probably 2.
5, 4, 3,
Spread, spread, spread.
1.
I'm gonna stay in.
Range, just do this.
3,
Alright, come on, right.
2,
Help, so.
1.
Who's purple? Come over. No, purple, come at. Going out towards green. Melee.
Oh, too much.
Wow, that was barely.
Who's
All
purple?
right.
Alright,
Run, 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 run. Remember, we need to be in these little miasmas with these folks as well. So. Alright, shit, good shit.
5, 4,
range coming. So,
2, 1.
Dude, just critical me.
5, 4, 3.
He's hacking up your shit.
Melee.
Perfect. Yeah, we are right now.
Melee, you can back up, by the way.
Spread, 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 spread.
We're way too close.
5,
I need a battle res.
3, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1.
There you go.
Good?
Diamond.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like, people with the surface should overlap, and we should be standing.
Yeah, yes, spread, spread, spread.
Yeah, we overlap these circles, but not these other circles. Right, perfect.
Yep.
Star and green is good.
There you go.
Side, and there we go. We're standing. That's the whole fight. That's it.
Ejections?
5,
Yo, careful. There you go. Perfect, green.
Oh,
No!
1.
Pop, you should have just stood in the middle there. Or I guess that was that you?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah. Yeah, because you guys were indecisive. Should have just found your spot and stayed. I need healers. You.
Purple level range. That's what we're looking at. Range.
Well,
Like, so good. There we go.
Melee, back up.
Good job, range.
Oh, so orange.
You may need it. Please
Spread, spread, spread.
5,
do it right now.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Range. Overlap the surface, please. Everybody else get in between. There you go.
1.
Great.
Ejections, ejections.
Get out. Alright, everyone's
Good, good, perfect.
That's what's happening.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's just the AoE damage. You guys in melee need to kind of spread out a little bit. Spread.
Spread. So start. Melee, you good? So,
Yeah.
Should be alright.
I got you.
right, stop moving. out. Try to line them up in the back. People still soaking. You still need people soaking. These soaking people. See, people not soaking with range.
4, 5, 3.
Range,
Move
move
up.
up. Whoever has circles, move up.
One,
Move back
two.
up so they can DP.
Yeah, after consume is done, you guys need to get right back in here. Careful, carry, careful.
All right,
Stand
stay
still,
right
carry.
there. Stay right there.
There you go.
Don't move. All right, range. Range, all get in there, soak, please.
All right, guys. Good job. Yeah, okay. We're not gonna try that strat where you bounce around because people are freaking out. So we'll
We are
just do
better
this
with
from now on.
chaos.
Yeah, which is mind blowing to me. Like, I don't get it. Good job,
How many
everyone.
years have you raided with us?
I don't get it, man.
You realize we wipe on track.